wonderful students. Today we are going on a virtual adventure to explore the world of shapes, sides, angles, and polygons using Python Turtle graphics. Let's start by looking at some amazing shapes together. Every shape has something special sides and angles. Sides are like the edges of a shape, and the angles are the corners where the sides meet. We can calculate the angles for a regular polygon using the formula angle equal to 360 degree by number of sides. A regular polygon is a polygon with all sides of equal length and all interior angles of equal measure. In this formula, angle refers to the measure of each interior angle of the regular polygon and number of sides refers to the count of sides in the regular polygon. In this video, we are going to see how to draw a polygon using turtle graphics. So first we need to set up the turtle screen and turtle. We first import the turtle module. Then we set up the turtle screen. Now we change the screen color to green. Now we change the title of the screen to turtle. Yes, our green background turtle screen is created. Now we need to set up the turtle. We just name the turtle as polygon and we'll set up the speed. Now we set up the speed of this turtle. As 1. Now we change the color of the turtle as red. Yes, our green screen and red turtle is created. Now we'll just change the shape of the turtle. As turtle. Yes. Now the shape changed to turtle. Now let's imagine we want to draw a shape. Let's say it's a hexagon which has 6 sides. We'll also need to know how long each side should be and at what angle the turtle should turn. So we'll say number of sides equal to 6 and side length equal to, we'll take it as 50, and we need angle, that is 360 divided by number of sides. Now here comes the fun part. We'll tell our turtle to start drawing the shape. It will move forward by the length of a side and then turn to the right by the angle we calculated. It will keep doing this until all the sides are drawn. For this, we need the loop for I in range of number of sides. Okay. Now the turtle need to move forward. Our turtle is polygon dot forward of what side length. I have defined the side length. So polygon dot forward of side length. Now the turtle need to turn. Polygon dot right of what angle. Yes, let's execute. Yes. Now our hexagon is completed. Wow, our turtle has drawn a hexagon shape, but we are not done yet. We need to tell our turtle that it can stop drawing now. So we need one more line, that is turtle dot done. Yes. Now our turtle finished drawing the hexagon shape. Now let's try by changing the value of this number of sides. Let's say 4. Yes. Now our turtle has drawn a square shape. It has 4 sides. Let's change the value to 5 and length of the side to 100. Yes. I have drawn a pentagon with 5 sides using the turtle. Now we just change the angle, uh, right to left. Yes, now you can see what this left and right turn will change the drawing in this turtle screen. So you can try any other shapes using this code. Thank you.